Okay, in this segment, what we're going to do is minimize a work screen that we've been using. We're going to minimize that, and we're going to try to go back and to the start menu and get into control panel. And we're going to try to find out how to remove some of the programs that you possibly will not buy or purchase because your budget's already been stretched to even get the machine that you have. And then that will rationalize us using shareware and freeware for a while until we can earn some more money. Okay, so we're going to look at the screen, and we're going to go up, and we're going to go to minimize. No matter what we're doing, we're just going to minimize the screen. And so we can see the original desktop. We're going to go down to the start button and click that. And this time we're going to go to control panel and click that. Okay, and we're going to go down to programs and features and just rest the mouse on there and you'll see what it says, uninstall and change programs on your computer. We'll click that. Or rather, we'll double click that. Okay. And it's going to populate all the programs that are presently installed. And what's going on here is that some of these programs aren't even activated. These are 30 or 60-day trial programs, advertisement. And for a lot of us, we took every penny we had to get the computer itself, and we're going to function for a while with shareware and freeware just to make our life a little easier. And the problem about some of these programs is that, you know, you get hooked on them after 60 days and you say, well, what am I going to do without them? So we're going to just look through the list and we're going to pick something. And we're just going to say, okay, in this particular case, we're just going to pick this whole group of programs right here, the Roxy group. And we click one of them. And you go up to the top and you say uninstall. It says, are you sure? And we're going to say yes. And then we're going to say this is this window will come up, and then all you have to do is say I allow. This is a protection window to double check and see if anybody, you know, that you're sure that the activity that you chose is what you really want to do. So that's a program, and you can only do one at a time. But you could see that by the activity down here, that program's gone now. It's off the computer. And you can go through and just really put your computer on a diet. I mean, take it down to the bare necessities, and then you can repopulate it with freeware and shareware.